Hello everybody. So let's begin today with odd number and even number. These numbers are part of the first number system. So even number, any number when it is divisible by 2, then we can say the number is even number. Now, what I mean of saying divisible is divisible means when we divide that particular number by another number and the another number is 2, then we are going to get a result which is a whole number. Okay. So, for example, even number, I have say 8. So, if I divide by 2, I am going to get 4. 4 to the 8. So the remainder will be 0. So we are getting 4 as, you can say, natural number or whole number. Another example, say 6, when we divide by 2 we are going to get 3, right? So 3 to the 6, so it is even number. I hope it is clear. Any number whenever it is divisible by 2, then the number is so called even number. Then we have odd number. So here it is divisible by 2. In case of odd number, it will not be divisible by 2. So the numbers or the consecutive numbers that are not divisible by 2, then we can say the number is odd number. Say for example 1. 1 divisible by 2. So we are getting in fraction, right? So 1 divisible by 2, we are going to get 0.5. It's coming in decimal. Then 3 divided by 2, we're going to get 1.5. It's coming in decimal. So any number when if it is not divisible by 2, then we can consider the number as odd number. Okay. Then I will discuss about factors and multiples and prime numbers. So let me start with factors. So what are factors? Say I have a number, say x, and I say that Y, Z, A, B, C. These are the numbers, and these numbers I am considering as factor of this number. So the relation between these numbers and that number is whenever we divide x by y, we going to get a natural number. Okay. So let me give an example. Let me consider a number. One is odd, another is even number. So let me start with odd number. Say I have 9. So the factors of 9 are 1 because we can divide 9 by 1, then 3, 3 3s are 9, then 9. So 1, 3, 9 are the factors of 9. Okay, let me consider an even number 8. So I have 1, then 2 because 1 can divide 8 into 8 parts, 2 can divide 8 into 4 parts, 4 can divide into 8 into 2 parts, and 8 can divide it into 1 part. So 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of the number 8. Okay. So these are the factors of this number. These are the factors of 8 and these are the factors of 9. Similarly, you can consider any other number. You can consider 15 and the factors of 15 you can find as 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay. So any number whenever it is divisible by any other number less than that or equivalent to that, then all these numbers will be considered as factors. Okay. Then we'll talk about multiples. Say I have x is the number, then x into 1, x into 2, x into 3. These are the multiples of the number x. For example, say I have 5. So 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 2, 10, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 4, 20, dot, 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 dot. So these are the multiples of the number 5. Okay. Similarly, you can consider any number and you can find out the multiples as well as factors of that number. So you have understood about uh, factors and multiples, right? Now let me discuss about prime number. Prime number are those numbers that have only two factors. The factors are 1 and itself.
So in case of prime number, we have to understand what is prime number. So any number that are having only two factors and the factors are 1 and itself. That's it. No any other number can divide that number. For example, say I have x. So the factors of x will be 1. 1 is common and x is common. We can divide x by 1, we'll get x. We'll divide x by x, we'll get 1. So only these two numbers that can divide x. Then only we can say the number is prime number. Okay. So let me give you some example. Let's say 2. So 2 has factors 2 and 1. Okay. So the numbers are different. Likewise here 1 and x are different. The same way 2 and 1 are different. So 2 is prime number. No any other number can divide 2. Say 3. 3, 1 and 3. Then 4. 1, 2 and 4. We have three factors. So it will not be considered as prime number. Next move to 5. So the numbers that can divide 5 are 1 and 5 only. No any other can divide. So 2, 3, 5 are the prime number. Similarly, we have 7, then 11, 13, 17, 19, 23. So these are the numbers. You can try know any other number other than those numbers and 1 can divide those particular number. Okay. So I hope you understood. In case if you have any problem, you can text me or you can call me. Thank you so much.